Friends, in this video, we are going to see how to make one of the world's best ginger tea.
Ginger mint tea.
Okay, so it is ginger mint tea. Just watch the video.
Today we'll be preparing ginger mint tea. We'll be preparing 2 cups of tea. For that I am taking 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk, tea powder, jaggery powder instead of sugar because jaggery is a better substitute, mint leaves and 3/4 inch ginger.
So you are taking jaggery powder instead of sugar. Why is it a better substitute?
Yeah, actually we already know that sugar is quite harmful to our body. So better to avoid the sugar and use jaggery powder, which is
so it is
better.
very beneficial for the body.
Yeah, it's a better option.
Okay.
So now I'll be taking 1 cup of water and 1 cup of milk for preparing 2 cups of tea. So first of all, I'll put water in the tea vessel. I'll grate the ginger.
Oh, that's a very nice grater, very small one.
Yeah, specifically I use it for grating ginger for tea.
Okay. Oh, that was fast.
Now I'll be adding mint leaves.
So many mint leaves?
Yeah, it gives a good aroma.
Okay.
And it's also good for health.
Okay. So you're turning up the flame. So this is full flame?
Yeah. Right now it's on full.
Okay.
And later on when the water starts boiling, I'll reduce the flame.
I see. Okay. Okay. So you have used up the ginger, you have used up the mint leaves, and now you have got 1 cup of water in this pan.
Right.
What is this called? This is a pan? Or
Yeah, right. It's
tea
a
vessel.
tea
Okay.
vessel or whatever.
Okay. Does it boil quickly, or how much time will it take to boil?
Hardly 3 to 4 minutes, not more than that.
Okay. Okay. Any medicinal properties? Okay, I would know a few medicinal properties of ginger. So ginger is good for people who have problem of gastric problem, for example.
Yeah.
And ginger is also good for many other kind of ailments, diabetic patients, even for cold and flu type of symptoms.
Yeah,
ginger
exactly.
acts wonders. Those of you who want to know medicinal use of ginger can just look up the net and you will know how ginger helps in variety of ailments. And even mint is having its own medicinal properties. So I guess this tea is also going to give those benefits to you.
Yeah,
But
right.
And the primary objective of making a ginger mint tea is not just medicinal properties, it is great taste. Great taste.
Exactly.
Okay,
Once you start drinking this flavored tea, you will not like to have ordinary tea.
Oh, is it? Okay, great.
So the water has started boiling. So I'll add the tea powder.
Okay, how much you have
I'm
to add?
adding 3 teaspoons of powder for 2 cups of
So
water.
1.5 each cup, right? Okay, 1.5 for each cup.
I'm also adding the milk.
So you have turned down the flame and you are adding milk to it.
Yeah,
Now
exactly.
you have
Just
increased the flame again. I think you are trying to avoid a spillover.
yeah, right.
Okay.
Exactly.
That's good. Okay. Friends, before you get into the flow of this video, I will remind you to subscribe to this channel as well as press the bell icon so that you get notifications. If you don't press the bell icon, you will not get notifications. Do enjoy the video. So what I have observed is instead of 3 teaspoons as mentioned, you have actually put 4 teaspoons. Why is that?
Yeah, you're right. That's a very good observation. Actually, we are supposed to take 3 heaped teaspoons. I haven't taken heaped ones. So I have added 4 teaspoons.
Okay, so you have cut the quantity per teaspoon, which is why you had to add a 4th one as well.
Yeah,
So-
Right.
Okay, so people can change a little bit here and there as per their taste.
Yeah, right.
Okay, great. Okay, so now I think it will take another 30 seconds to boil. So just to summarize, what you have done is you have taken 1 cup of water and 1 cup of milk. You have added 3 teaspoons of tea powder.
Yeah.
That is 1.5 per cup, I can say that ratio.
Right.
You have not yet used the jaggery powder as yet, which you will eventually use. You have used the ginger, which was in this 3/4 ginger, and you have used the mint leaves.
Yeah, right.
Okay, great. So now it's come to a boil. I can feel the aroma already, and I feel like drinking the tea. So
Now I've reduced the flame to avoid spilling.
okay, but still you have kept it boiling because
Yes.
you want to further take that extract of
Exactly.
the ginger as well as the mint.
Yes, that's right.
And even the tea powder, I guess.
Right.
That's good. So
Now I'll just stir the mixture.
okay, to make it homogeneous.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. I can actually feel the fragrance, smell the fragrance.
Now
And
we
I'm
should
pretty-
just keep on boiling it till we get the perfect color.
Okay,
So that time we know that the tea is ready.
I see.
That
Okay.
takes around 1 minute or so, not more than that.
Okay. So, looks good. Okay, so I think it's near completion.
Yes, the tea is ready. We have got the perfect color
Super.
and the superb aroma.
Fantastic.
Now I'll filter it into 2
So
cups.
that's a sieve.
Yeah.
And, okay, so when do you put this jaggery powder?
I'll put it now. I'll add it now.
So, okay, so 1 of the cup and the second cup.
That's for my husband who doesn't add sugar or jaggery or anything sweet to it.
Okay, so since he's diabetic, you prefer not to add anything to one of the
right.
cups. And the non-diabetic person can take the jaggery.
Now I'll be adding just 1.5 teaspoon of jaggery.
I guess that is to the taste of the person. If
Yes,
a person
exactly.
feels that he wants to have less jaggery, then he can have less jaggery. If he feels more, then he can have more.
Right. Now the
So-
jaggery is mixed with the tea. We can have this tea.
Looks like great tea. Super. And that's how you make great tea. And it is served like this. Okay. Fantastic. I'm sure people who drink this tea would be happy. Can you just give me 1 cup here?
Yes,
This
sure.
is the cup. Okay. Okay, so that is my tea. Let me taste this and see. Fantastic feeling, awesome. When it goes down the gullet, you can really feel the ginger and the mint, and that's what I long for. Great tea. Friends, watch out for our next video. It is going to be about diabetes reversal, and it is my personal experience which I am going to share with you. Diabetes reversal, insulin reversal, and what are the steps you have to take. So it is going to be a very interesting video. Do not miss it. For diabetics, pre-diabetics, and even for healthy people, they should be seeing this video.